Okay, it's been a couple days since I finished sealing this piece, and I want to show you what the cured finish looks like, the final sheen, the final color enhancement, and talk a little bit about the finish and the timing and those kind of things that are important for after sealing expectations. First thing I want you to notice is that there is a soft sheen to Omega when it cures. It's not dead flat. I would consider it to have a very soft sheen. Has a very natural appearance, and when you touch it, has a very natural feel. Very similar to bare concrete. And that was the intent, is to make a piece of concrete look natural, yet have incredibly high protection.